Hello from Universal Studios Orlando with a pretty exciting update, a big one. Look at this. The ride's spike has been topped off, a major milestone here in the construction of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. So yeah, it's just gonna be a quick one today. We're gonna get all the angles of this and that'll be it. So let's go. So here we are with the above view, and actually it's a good time to just kind of point out where you'll be going through this majority portion of the ride layout. You'll start way down there at the other side of the park with a launch over the stage. That's going to be something spectacular, maybe a big wave turn, who knows right now. And then already after that, you're pretty much here at the start of this big spaghetti bowl section. So you'll head into another large element that's going to connect us to right here. So we could get a stall here, we could get an air hill, maybe the first inversion of the ride, who really knows. But we'll head down through the little speed bump. You know I don't prefer bump elements, but there it is. I'd prefer some straight track instead, give some character and break to the pacing, but hey, getting a little too nerdy now. So connecting here, coming in, bump into this crazy looking cutback. It's angled way more than I expected it would be. I mean, you're almost at 180 degrees there. Pushing 160 degrees back down. And then we're not sure what's gonna happen, but we're gonna need to connect the bottom of this element over to right here, where we're gonna come in. So some kind of grand element here also is going to be pretty big, I think, in the corner. That's gonna turn around and come back here into the S turn, the low turn, and then the mid-course. Mid-course is gonna come off the end, take a little dive to the right, and then that's where we enter the switch track. And that switch track is gonna take us onto the launch track with the air hill in the back there, and then up the spike. You'll go up the spike once, come back down, through the launch again, and then into another major element of the ride that's gonna be placed here, right where that Rip Ride Rocket billboard still is there. But also I think the second half also is going to be short, just an element or two before we reach the brakes way in the back, and that will do the ride. That's going to do it today from Universal Orlando. My camera died, so that's everything. Just a short and sweet update today. Huge milestone and a huge congratulations to the team that's working on the project. It's been so exciting to see all of this come together. And until the next one, thank you as always for watching, and see ya.